Hello friends, today in this video I will share my own story that how I got interested in learning English language and what problem I faced in my previous time, because the area where right now I am living, at that time there were no facilities of teaching English language from basic classes. So student had to learn English from their 6th standard. I also learned my alphabetical words from my 6th standard, and when I reached in my 10th standard, the interest of becoming an artist increased in myself, and I was willing to become a popular artist. So whenever I used to watch videos on television of different celebrities speaking in English language, I thought that if I would become the popular person, I would also have to speak in English language. So I must prepare myself according to this situation. So I started learning more books, more spoken language books, and sometimes I write down the difficult words and their meanings, and I used to memorize those difficult words and their meaning on daily basis. In this way I started my journey of learning English language. I'm not fluent still, because at that time and still now I don't have any person in my friends or family with whom I could speak and make the practice of spoken English. So I'm still facing the problem, but when the YouTube came, it gave us the facility to make the videos and share with the people. Sometimes whenever we used to make mistake in our speech, people do the comments and correct us. And another story I will share with you, that more interest increased in my self learning English language whenever I visited in UAE, Dubai. I went to Dubai on a visit visa, and there I gave an interview for job in Dubai Mall, and in my first interview I was selected, and because I was not interested to do job to work there. I was interested in art and culture. I want to come back to my country, so I was not interested, so I was selected. If I was interested, I would not be selected. And if you are impatient, you could not get the things easily. The things come to you when you don't feel impatience. So in my Dubai trip, when I gave the interview to a person, and I spoke with him in English language, and he then selected me for the job. But then they mailed me to provide them some other documents, and I did not respond at that time, because I don't want to work there. I was not willing to stay there. So I came back, and more interest came into myself that I should learn more the words, the more difficult words and their meanings, because sometimes you speak a little, but whenever you have to speak in detail, you should have the vocabulary in your mind. So I started searching the difficult words, writing them on paper and their meanings, and I used to memorize those words on daily basis. I still have that collection, and I used to memorize. But sometimes it is very difficult when we don't have the practical experience of spoken English. We have the vocabulary in my mind, but we could not put those vocabulary into proper sentences. So this was the problem for me, that whenever I speak English language, sometimes words are in my mind, but I feel difficulty in making the sentences and putting those words in proper way in the sentences. So I started listening and watching the videos of different English language channels on YouTube. And because whenever you listen, it is the good. First of all, I think you should listen your own accent, especially where you are living, the people of that accent. If you start listening the videos of different accent, basically at the first stage you will feel the problems. First, start listening the videos or podcasts of your native countries, your native accent, and then after that you can also listen or watch videos of different accents. In this way you can make yourself more fluent than your previous time. So in this way, on regular basis, I'm making the videos, and I'm also watching videos on YouTube to improve my English language. I don't understand that I'm expert in this language, because in every and each video I make the mistakes. Whenever I watch again my videos myself, then I find the mistakes, but I could not make those videos again. And sometimes I randomly upload them on YouTube. There are the mistakes, but not too much mistakes, some mistakes. When I used to talk about previous time, then I make some mistakes. You can say indirect. When making direct speech or indirect speech, I make the mistakes, and I'm trying to correct all those mistakes. But main cause is that whatever I am speaking or whatever I want to deliver, the others are understanding. If others are understanding the meaning of your speech, main theme of your speech, then your message is reaching to others. So main thing is that your message would reach to the world. So for this reason, I started my English language channel, and I'm improving this on a daily basis, and I'm making the videos on daily basis, and hope you enjoy my videos. And also you can give your valuable suggestions. You can correct me the mistakes which I make in my videos. You can tell me in comment box, so that I improve myself in my next videos. And right now, allow me, and before leaving, I will request you that help me in growing this channel, because I want to grow this channel on international level. I have another Urdu language channels. I'm also working on that channel, and this is my English language channel, and I'm willing to grow this channel. And for that, I need your support, your help, your encouragement. So give your valuable suggestions, positive suggestions, and criticize in positive way. Some people criticize in jealousy, but there are some people who want to correct you. Some people who want to disturb you from your struggle. So give your suggestions in positive way, so that I would make myself able to make other videos in good way. Hello me, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.